What's up everybody, welcome to Money Management channel. My name is Andrei and today I'm gonna be doing an update on NIO stock.
I got the cash in the bag, stadium packed, born a rock star in this life, gonna live it up.
And in today's video, first of all, I will show you where we are on a price chart and how we get there. Then I will continue with the fundamental news that might drive the price of this stock. And at the end of this video, I will share my thoughts and my technical analysis. And I will show you what should we expect next. And before we get into all of that, if you guys would like to earn 2 free stocks with Moomoo valued up to $7,000, please check out that link in the description below. All you have to do is sign up for an account and deposit as little as $1. This is guaranteed free money. Full details you can see on the screen right now. So let's start with the price chart. I made my previous video right here at this point and I've told you that we completed all 5 wave structure and we have 5 wave structure inside the 5th wave, so we completed all 5 waves. This means on a greater scale we have to have a retracement, and right here on my previous video I've told you that we should land somewhere lower, and the ranges of 0.382, 0.5 and 0.618, 0.65 were our main ranges where we might enter the position, swing trade position with this asset. And I defined these ranges by pulling the Fibonacci retracement tool from this bottom to this top, and these ranges are most obvious ranges where we might have a trend reversal. And as you can see, we hit the golden pocket range, barely break it to the downside and went higher. And from the golden pocket we have this harsh movement to the upside for more than 14%. But if you accumulated your position along these levels, probably your entry point might be at roughly $0.5 and you might be up for about 8.5%. Definitely it is also very good movement, and I have to say that my previous call was from this bottom, and from this bottom we are still up for more than 27%, and definitely we are still on our way to hit this previous swing high. It is the price point of roughly $24.4, and from our entry point we might have up to 64% of potential profits. Definitely we are on our way to hit this range, but I have to say that we won't hit it in a matter of next 2 sessions with the harsh movement to the upside with more than 32% of potential profits. So I will show you what should we expect next from the technical standpoint in just several minutes, and for now let's continue with the fundamental news. First of all, let me show you that market doesn't behave very well right now, and as you can see, S&P 500 falls for 5th straight day as rate decision looms. And as you can see, S&P 500 lost about 0.38%, Dow Jones lost about 0.5%, Nasdaq slightly in green territory by 0.18%, and Russell 2000 is in red by 0.39%. And I have to say that the main anticipation right now is the Federal Reserve announcement. And as you can see, on June 15th we will have this news. And basically we have several options. The most bullish option is that Jerome Powell will say that we will see a 0.5% increase in June and July, and then we might experience some kind of relief in these interest rate hikes. And during several months we have to see the results of previous interest rate hikes, and definitely it will be the most bullish case. If it happens, definitely all the prices will bounce back to the upside. Second option might be that we will see the 0.5 interest rate hikes all the way till the December 2022, and this means we might see some kind of choppy movements in upcoming months, and that's why we have to be cautious. And the most bearish case might be that we will see an increase for 0.75 percentage point or even higher from the month of July, and I think for next couple of months. And this will be the most bearish case, and if it happens, definitely we will see the next major movement to the downside for entire market. So, and let's continue with the news directly related to NIO. First of all, right here we can see their press release, and on June 14th they published this. NIO Incorporated, a pioneer and a leading company in the premium smart electric vehicle market, today announced that it expects to host NIO product launch event on Wednesday, June 15, 2022. And this event definitely directly related to their ES7 model. And right here you can see that NIO teases ES7 in video one day before official launch. And let me show you this video. It is quite short video, not more than 14 seconds. And you cannot see basically the entire vehicle, but you can see several details. And definitely this type of promo action before the real presentation of this vehicle definitely increases the interest to this vehicle, and definitely it might be the catalyst, the real catalyst why we have this massive movement to the upside. So, and let me show you another news that was very bullish on NIO. On June 14th, we have this article that is titled Chinese index provider CSI to include Tesla, NIO, XPeng, Li Auto into new indices. The two indices, which will be officially launched on July the 6th, are expected to provide exposure to Chinese investors bullish on the smart electric vehicle sector. And here is more details. China Securities Index will officially launch the CSI Global Intelligent Vehicle Index, CSI HK and US Listed Intelligent Vehicle Index, CSI 300 Bank and Insurance Index, and CSI 800 Bank and Insurance Index on July the 6th, according to an announcement made today. Being included in CSI's indices means that money from funds tracking these indices will be able to flow into its constituent stocks, potentially providing more investment channels for Chinese investors who are bullish on the smart electric vehicle industry. And definitely this news also gives more credibility to NIO, and this news also was the driver of this movement to the upside. And let me show you another news that I didn't cover yet. It is the new price targets, and we have two companies that made their prediction on June the 10th. And both of these companies lowered its price targets, but they lowered it from $60 to $55 and from $34 to $31. And despite this decrease, this asset still has a huge upside potential for more than 192% and more than 64.72%. And I have to say that even this conservative price target is higher than my price target of $24.4. And definitely we have very good chances to hit this range in upcoming month or two. So, and let's continue with the technical analysis. But before we dive deep right here, please subscribe to my channel, hit notification bell and hit the like button. This helps me a lot. So guys, I have to say that this movement to the upside is very significant because we bounced from the golden pocket range. We barely break it, but we have this movement. And I have to say that previously we also had a bounce from the same range. If I pull the Fibonacci retracement tool from the bottom of the wave to the top of the wave, and as you can see, we also completed all 5 waves inside this wave. We hit the golden pocket range and went higher. And we might see the trend continuation, and definitely the next range which we have to break is this previous swing high at $20.53. But in my opinion, in upcoming session we might see small pullback, and this pullback, if this asset won't break this previous bottom, we will remain bullish, and it will be the range where you can accumulate your position, and the upside potential, the short-term upside potential might be following. So if I connect these two tops, this one, and make this line a little bit longer, we have another range of resistance which we might hit in the next leg to the upside. And the signal of this movement will be the breakout above the $20.53. And definitely we might see even a confluence. Let me show it to you. If this asset will hit this range of resistance a bit higher, somewhere at this point in the intersection of these two lines, we also have the confluence with this previous top. So this means this range might be very, very meaningful for this company, and I think it might be a very good potential trade if you entered your position somewhere at these ranges with the tight stop loss slightly below this previous bottom. So I think from the technical standpoint that's it for now. If you like my video, please hit the like button and subscribe to my channel with notification bell, and see you guys and girls next time. Bye!
I got the cash in the bag, stadium packed. Born a rock star in the this life, gon' live it up on the attack. Baby, I'm bad, I just wanna get caught up in this life. I'm crazy, I'm mad, doing no cap. Only God wants you, better go live